Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off device admin apps functions in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our apps menu. Next at the top right we have three dots menu, and here is special access menu. Next, as you can see, we have device admin apps. We can turn off permissions, take out, deactivate these options. As you can see, we have pop-up window informations. Here we can read it if we want to, but we want to deactivate this function, and no need to save. Back out to home screen, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in next video. Bye.